Do you want to make your Instagram profile stand out with captivating highlights but don't want to clutter your story? I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to put pictures on Instagram highlights without adding them to story. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the plus icon at the top left. Then click or select the picture that you want to post. Then tap on your story. Right after it is posted, tap on the three dots at the bottom right, then delete it. After 24 hours, go to your profile. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Go to your activity. Tap on Recently Deleted. Then, tap on the picture that you just deleted. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Then tap Restore. If it gives you this message, then it will send a code either to your email or phone number. Then simply copy and paste the code. After you've typed in the code, tap on Confirm. Now go to Archive right under Recently Deleted. Then tap on the picture. Then tap on Highlight and select the highlight that you want to add it to. And that's it. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.